Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video we have a small jewelry haul from this brand called JEWELSMARS, and yeah, I'll show you what I got and what we have, what are the ratings, what's the report for this small business that I got from Instagram. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. I will give everything in the description box. The website will be given in the description box and you can check out all the products from there. And I am wearing two of the things already. So this is the hoop. This is the first thing. These are the hoops, colorful hoops, and you can see like these go with my makeup today, and together these just look very bomb. And the second one is this. This is a necklace, a butterfly necklace, and you can see, right? I'll just give you, a little bit of close-up over here for both loops and the necklace, right? So yeah, that is that. So this was the first necklace. This is a simple butterfly necklace, right? And yeah, I actually only got two necklaces, and the second one is this. So this one is even simpler than this. This butterfly wala necklace is at least mota, the chain is moti, but the other one, the second one that I have in my hands, is even like sleek. So if you are somebody who wants to wear a very sleek chain, somebody who goes to college doesn't want to go all heavy, right? So for them there is this chain. Wait a sec, I will of course show you how they look while wearing over here, right? Right now I'm just showing you how the product looks. I've tried each one of these, right? So this is how it is. Yeah, this is how it is. The hearts have this white thing, right? And there is this very cute circular chain over here. And I think this is a very pretty necklace, good for everyday wear. I don't know if, they will sustain sweat and water. I think that is something we got to see. I'm not going to check that. I don't want to do that, right? Because I don't wear these jewelries like very often every day. So yeah, it is for you to see, not for me to see. Second thing that I have is, and these two things will go together because these are similar things that I got in the pack of two, right? So this is the first thing. This is a set of ear cuffs and earrings. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, these are simple earrings that goes in the piercing, and these two are ear cuffs and they don't need the piercing. Similarly, this is this, right? 4 earrings, 1, 2, 3, 4 to go in your piercings, and 1 and 2 ear cuffs that don't require piercing. And I love ear cuffs that don't require piercings, right? So technically the thing is, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, that is the day. You wear these 4 in the, during the, you wear these, during the weekdays, right? And on the weekends as well. So this is the deal with these ear cuffs, and I'll show you how these look. Now I got 2 of these, and you know what? 1, 2, 3. 3 of these earrings are actually the same, if you can see. Only this, and the 2 ear cuffs are different. Other than that, 3 pair of earrings are actually the same, which I don't mind because I think I got these 6 pair of earrings for only 99 rupees, if I'm not wrong. So I can't really be mad at that. But I would have loved if, ye earrings alag hote. But maybe earrings are actually the same. It's the ear cuffs that are different, because the selling part was actually the ear cuff and not the earrings. Then I have another hoop earring, and this one is more like an ethnic earring. These are the earrings, right? And this is how they look. Ethnic earrings for, for your ethnic stuff. If you wear ethnic suits and ethnic stuff in your daily routine, these type of jhumkas, what did I call them, jhumkas? These type of hoops would look good. Now, here's the problem. For one earring, for this one ear, this is fine. But इसमें ये ऐसे जाएगा ना, तो इधर की तरफ से सिर्फ ये प्लेन वाला दिखता है. I don't know why. I think ये बिल्कुल सेम है. I think ये वाला जो है ना थोड़ा इस तरह का होना चाहिए ताकि जब ये इधर मैं पहनूं तो वो दिखे. There is this issue with this earring, and I don't know if it's me, if this is how it should have been, or if मुझे गलत मिला है. But I think there is an issue with this earring, and that is one thing that I don't like about this earring, and that is a bummer because this is my profile side and यहीं पर इसकी दिक्कत आ रही है. And yep. So second pair of hoops that I had were these, and I've already shown you. You can see how they look while I wear them, right? I think they are beautiful. They are very quirky. So if you have a plain attire, just like a plain white top, and with these, it would look good, right? That would be a combination to die for. Next up, I have some Korean type of earrings. The first pair is this. This is a link chain pair type of thing. This is how they look. Now, I don't know if this was supposed to be 4 and 5 or ये टूटा हुआ है or there is some defect, or I don't know the exact deal, but this is how it is. And there were a lot of colors available in this. I mean, the colors were out of stock, but color की availability है. You can have in yellow, neon, blue, pink, orange, peach. I think I got in peach or pink, one of them. Yeah, so these are acrylic ones and they look very pretty. Like when I wore them, they actually look really nice. And if the colors get back in stock, I would definitely stock up these in different colors because they're actually pretty and they look really nice. If you ask me one pair that you should totally go for, I think it would be these. Because I actually really like it. Fitting the Y2K aesthetic, I have second pair of Korean sort of earrings. And these are mismatched earrings again. You know, one of them is different and one of them is different in the length. That is how they are, and they look pretty as well. Like they are very sleek, right? Very dainty, and they actually look very pretty while you wear them. These have to be like one of my faves from the lot because I actually really enjoy wearing them. You know, when you don't want to go out and out and you just want to wear something that is not too much, you wear these. That's it. Next up is this pair of the safety pin earrings. Now, I wanted safety pin earrings for so long, you know, since they were in trend. I think I'm a little bit late for the trend, but you know what, I don't care. So these are the safety pin earrings, and the safety pins have the bling at the bottom, and again they are very dainty and sleek and they look very pretty when you wear them. I absolutely love how these three earrings specifically, they look very pretty. You know, they have, you know, they don't have anything that could possibly go wrong in them. So if you have to ask me, the things that I would really suggest you to go for were these three earrings, you know, the safety pin and one of the mismatch heart and this fence wala. Go with these. Then I actually have ear cuffs. Now I am a huge ear cuff fan and I haven't tried these because I have some issues with them. Now this was the first one. This is a threader earring. And what is a threader earring? So basically this whole thread will go inside your ear, and yeah, this ऐसे आएगा और एक ये ear cuff ऊपर आएगा like this, ऐसे ear cuff, and वो करके I'll just show you how it looks. I haven't tried this because I'll be doing it in the next, you know, the next time I'll make videos. Right now I just thought, you know what, it's enough for today. I'll try this tomorrow. So these are the ones, and I think this again is very pretty. So if you don't have piercing, you just have one piercing and yeah, you are good to go. You don't need more than one piercing for this earring. Yeah, I think this is pretty. Again, one of those very dainty, sleek, but yet they have a statement in them. Yeah, that is the feeling with these earrings. Two that I have. Now, see, here's the thing. These, I think you might have seen. These are actually ear cuffs. These, yeah. Now, this is how it is supposed to be. You know, ऐसे करके. This is the cross and this is supposed to go behind your ear. But मेरी ये chain टूटी हुई थी. When I received it, it was broken already. It is not something that I cannot fix. I mean, did I say that right? I mean, ये ऐसी चीज़ नहीं है जिसको मैं ठीक नहीं कर सकती. In the sense कि मैं इसको ठीक कर सकती हूँ. So I just have to like link both of these chains together, and that is not a big deal. I can fix this, but I haven't fixed it yet. I will do it and then I'll show you how they look while they, you know, how they look जब पहने होते हैं. So this is something I haven't tried yet. I have to try. And the last one again is something that I received, was not defective, but it broke while I was wearing it, and that is the type of, you know, I don't know, the quality we are going for maybe. This is how it is. Yeah. So these are simple earrings, right? And this is supposed to be your ear cuff, right? This is the ear cuff that will, you know, go like this. Yeah, this is how it is supposed to be. It is supposed to go like this, right? While I was wearing in the दूसरे वाला कान, it just broke. You know, जो पीछे का वो होना चाहिए था, वो actually बाहर निकल गया. And I think we can fix this. You know, nothing that Fevikwik can't fix. So I'll fix this and I'll show you how it wears, and then we'll just see the deal with these as well. These were all the pieces. Now, what do I think about this brand and what I would say? Now, I think the pieces are good. I didn't pay a lot of price for these, and what I genuinely feel is that they are not going to last me for an exceptionally long time. Let's be honest, I know they will wear and tear in a while, like a year or two. They are not going to be very sturdy. They will keep on breaking, and this is the thing with these type of jewelry pieces. And this is not on the brand, okay? This is not something I'm giving on the brand, because basically जो ये small brands होते हैं, they actually buy all these earrings from somewhere. So वो जो भी somewhere है ना, वहाँ की जो भी होती हैं, आप चाहे उसको कहीं से भी लोगे, वो ऐसी ही होती हैं कि वो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम तक लास्ट नहीं करेंगी. So for a while, and then they will start breaking. So that is that. That's why they're extremely affordable, because they are not going to last you for your lifetime, right? All in all, my experience with this website was good. I really like the products. And listen, I'll be honest, कोई भी website हो, चाहे Amazon हो, चाहे Myntra हो, there are always some blunders and issues with every product. सबके साथ होता है. Even the biggest of the brands can't let go of that. So I don't think it's a big deal. एक आधा product ऐसा निकला, I will fix it. It's fine. And yeah, that's that. I think I really like this brand. Okay, so that's it for today's video, you guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.